life is fascinating to me, traders. It's really true. I mean, it's fascinating to me. I enjoy it. I enjoy the challenge of it, figuring it out. Um, I like the fact that it's not easy. I like the fact that most people don't get it right. I like these things. It's not supposed to be easy. I appreciate the fact that my parents never promised me that it would be easy. I never grew up like that. And I think that's largely because my parents were not given anything. They did not have privileges from birth or what have you. And so I grew up hearing all the time that life is hard, that you have to really work more than most people. You have to put in more than the average person. I grew up like that, And so I didn't grow up in this privileged age where people think that, well, why am I not successful? Like I'm supposed to have this. I just didn't. I grew up where the idea was that it is going to be hard. Life is going to be the hardest thing that you ever have to experience. And right now, we're taking care of you, my parents would say, and your life is easy. But the moment that is not the case, and you have your own family, and you have this, it is going to be the hardest thing in your entire existence. So my parents prepared me for life being hard. You understand? There was no, I'm supposed to get this. No. Be prepared, Oliver. Life is going to be hard. You only have it easy now because of us. But the moment you become an adult, it is going to be the hardest thing until you die. That was how I was raised by my parents. So when people say, but, is it hard? I'm like, what? I get that question every day. Is trading hard? What? Dude, life is hard. Trading is a part of life. So if trading's a little part of life and life is hard, well, everything's hard, dude. So what? What is that going to be the decision? So do you stop? Do you not live? Oh no, life is hard. So I need to determine if life is hard or not, because if life is hard, then I don't live. Oh, wait, I need to determine if trading is hard. Tell me, Oliver, is trading hard? Because if it's hard, I don't want to do it. Dude, don't do it. Don't live, don't do it. Don't wake up in the morning. Don't wake up tomorrow morning. Just die. Because everything's hard. Anything worthwhile is hard. That's the way I was raised. You know what I'm saying? That's just the way I was raised. That nothing's easy. I'm talking, man. My cigar went out. It's your fault. You guys are right. Love you guys. Love you guys, though. Yeah.